Okay, here is the ColecoVision multi-cartridge. It allows you to create your own games on your computer, and it has a USB interface right there, so you can program your game, put it in this cartridge, which is actually just a regular ColecoVision cartridge, and you can plug it right in the actual ColecoVision system itself, if you still have one sitting around, and play your games. So for my latest project, I thought it would be fun to program one of the games that never came out for the system, which is this old catalog from 1981 or so. They had a game in it called Trak that looked okay. Always waited for it to come out, but it never did. And after waiting 30 years, I guess, decided, yeah, maybe I could take a stab at being the person to program the game. So here's the one screenshot that they have in the old catalog. So what I did was found the MAME ROM to it for the arcade version, watched it play for a while, and I'm trying to rebuild the game using the graphics from the catalog here, but also using the gameplay that is in the arcade ROM that I was playing for a little while. So here is the work in progress of it right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Coleco, and unfortunately the connection is terrible because I'm using the old, probably can't see it, but the old RF wire. And here's the menu to the multi-cartridge. So item number 1, where it says Sidetrack Build 72, this is my latest ROM update to it so far in quite some time. I started this game about 4 or 5 years ago and abandoned it, but picked up the project again because I figured I really just at this point needed to complete it. So I'm going to use the controller here. I'll choose that. There's my simple little title screen for now. I'll put the actual ColecoVision title screen in it later on. And here is the game actually playing. So you control the yellow train at the bottom, and the red train is a little runaway train from the computer, and as you go along the tracks you need to pick up all the little people. Oh, there it goes, and he hit the enemy train. So basically the goal of the game is really just to pick up all the people, complete the tracks, and you can switch tracks by moving left and right. For some reason my joystick routine failed, I don't know why, on this update, so I need to look at that, but it was actually completely playable for a while. The game is pretty close to being done at this point, probably like 75 or so percent, I'm guessing. Probably in about another month or so the game should be done, and not sure how I'm going to release the ROM yet. Obviously, it'll be a free download, but I don't know if I'm going to go and look into actually having cartridges produced like some homebrew ColecoVision developers do. I don't know enough about what that takes, or how difficult that is, or for that matter what the cost is, if any, to the developer for releasing the game. But there it is. Just wanted to show the game. Here's a close-up of some of the graphics. There's a little enemy train going in a circle. Oh, there's your train. And boom, crash. So there it is. Okay, bye.